I was standing in front of my house. I never thought I could afford it. Yet I had the keys in hand, there was no massive down payment needed. I was still in disbelief. A year earlier, I was drowning in rent, barely scraping by. I was convinced homeownership was for other people. Not for me. Then I stumbled on something odd, a free report. What it showed me changed everything. Showing me real ways for people like me, to get a home with little or no money down. If you're where I was, and want to change that, get this free report. How to buy a home with little or no money down. It's free at www.centralmdbuyers.com. That's www.centralmdbuyers.com. The keys to your new home could be waiting for you too.